Good evening, students. In today's lecture, we are going to continue about Fabaceae characteristics. In the last class, we have discussed how to write the characteristics using simple mnemonic. That is, we wrote Sachin DRS has life, played 50. We have discussed. Accordingly, we wrote systematic position, distribution, root, stem, habit, leaves, inflorescence, flowers, fruits and seed, economic importance, pollination and dispersal, and floral formula. So we can easily remember this. Now in this, the first characteristic, that is about systematic position, we can remember again like this. It's very simple. You can either write like this, DPCRF. So what is this DPCRF? So we write Delhi Police in Central Reserve Force. A simple sentence. Based on that, you can write the class, subclass, series, order, and family. So the first letter D stands for dicotyledonous in a class. Then P, Polypetala subclass. C, Calciflora series. R, Rosalis order. And F, family Fabaceae. Or you can also call it as Papilionaceae. We all know this. Now using simple mnemonic, that is Delhi Police Central Reserve Force, you can write DPCRF, and based on that we can write the systematic position. Now let us move to the second one, that is distribution. Now in the distribution, all over the world we can see that approximately 482 genera and 7,200 species we have. And if you see in India, in the peninsular India and Himalayas, we have 100 genera and 748 species. This is about the distribution of Fabaceae family. And we have some examples given in the book. Let us remember again how to write this. So we can take it as ACP and DGP. They are in the training. So we can say in the ground they are taking the training. Write 2C. On expanding you will get like this, the alphabets. See, writing the examples is very easy if you remember the starting letters. So that's what we have done that. So ACP and the DGP and T. Now, A for Arachis hypogea, common names I have written in the bracket. C, Caesarea retinum, and next one C is Crotalaria gentiana. P for Pisum sativum, the garden pea. So Mendel has proposed his laws on this plant. D, Dalbergia scissosism, and G for Glycine max. P, Phaseolus species, and T is Trigonella phenum gratium, that is fenugreek. So using this simple mnemonic, we can write second one, that is distribution. Next, let us see about a root and stem. Now, if you see the root, you know the taproot, we observe in Fabaceae taproot, so like this. And the lateral roots, what we have, contains nitrogen fixing bacteria. So that is nothing but rhizobium. So we can say that root nodules are present in Fabaceae. This is the characteristic feature of this family. Now coming to the stem, it's erect, branched, solid and hairy. And in some climbers, you know that the climbers, the stem will be generally weak to allow that to climb. So these are the two things which you have, that is root and stem. Now let us see the next characteristic, that is habit. See, to memorize the habit, let us remember a simple statement like it's the habit of MP to come late. So we know that to any function or somewhere they go late. So here we can write MP late, remove T and write a D. So MP late, we can write MP late, and here 2 for M. After expanding you will get the examples. So Medicago, Melilatus, these two are erect herbs. Next, Pisum, Lathyrus are tendril climbers. Abras is shrub, and last two, that is Dalbergia ciso and erythrina, these two are trees. So using this one, that is MP late, we can write the examples which are exhibiting the habit of Fabaceae. Now let us go to the next one, that is leaves. Now let us move to the next characteristics, that is of leaves. So in Fabaceae the leaves are stipulate, that is the outgrowth on both the sides of the petiole we can see. See, I am not going to explain what is alternate, simple and all, already we have discussed in the morphology. Now I have made one more mnemonic here to remember the types of leaves and their examples you can take like this. So CA, chartered accountant, ads, advertisements, trademark is PVL. If you can remember CA, ads, trademark, PVL, then you can easily write all the examples. So let us take here 2L and expand this. Now first C, Crotalaria, A, Alicicarpus. These have the leaves as alternate and simple. First one. Hope you have understood this. CA is done. Next, ads. Abrus, Dalbergia and Sesbania. These three, the leaves are pinnately compound. Coming to the next one, trademark, TM, Trifolium and Melilotus. The leaves are digitately compound. Now, PVL. I have written this 2L, so one will be coming at the bottom. So PVL, Pisum, Vicia and Letharis. The upper leaflets are modified into tendrils for climbing. And now, in the case of last one, L, Letharis, Aphaca, all the leaflets are modified into tendrils. So using simple mnemonic, CA, ads, trademark, PVL, we can write all the examples and all the nature of the leaves, that is types of leaves. So hope you have understood this. Now in this lecture, we have completed the first 6 characteristics, and in the next class, we can discuss the remaining 6 characteristics of Fabaceae. Hope you have understood this. I have made a simple attempt to make all the examples easy to remember. So you can follow this. Thank you so much.